Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to blur faces in a video using Filmora software. Click on Power Tool icon. Click on Mosaic. Check this box. And click on Add button. And here is your blur box. It is good for still faces, but on moving faces it will not work. But you can use it for hiding still objects like the logo, text, etc. Now for that, there is another tool, Face Off. Once you apply this, it will automatically track the face and blur it. You can also replace face with some funny faces. Let's use the Mosaic to hide this. And play the video. Thanks for watching.